What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. You guys, I am back with yet another 𝗏𝗏 Hilfiger haul. This is a tiny one. This is a bit on the mini side. But I picked up a few things that I figured they're too good to not share with you guys. So that's why I'm here today. I'm going to share some items I picked up that I've been wanting for a while, and also share my experience on this 𝗏𝗏 crossbody. This is listed as a fanny pack, but I've been using it as a crossbody. And crossbodies are very trendy right now for men. So I figured, you know what? I'm going to talk about my experience using this and do this miniature haul. Why not? So if you guys are interested in this video, then keep on watching. First off, you guys, I'm totally aware that it is the season of giving. It is not the season of buying things for yourself. But when I stopped at 𝗏𝗏 today and I seen these prices, I was like, I'm not passing this up. If I do, I'm crazy. So I picked up a few things today that, like I said, I really wanted to share with you. One of them being something that I eyed up last time I was there for Black Friday, and I told myself, don't get it, don't get it, don't get it. But I got it today. So it is yet another 𝗏𝗏 fanny pack. And yes, these are listed as a fanny pack, but I've been wearing it as a crossbody. So the one that I already have, this one, little Tin Man, little silver moment here, Mrs. Xenon. I've basically enlarged it, and I'm wearing it as a crossbody. So it's very street style, it's very trendy, and literally I don't leave the house without either this or a backpack, because my pants are usually too tight, so gotta have extra, baggage. So that's what this is for. Now, I've honestly been freaking loving this. The color, just the uniqueness of it, and I also got a few compliments on this, so I've been living for it. Now, this one here, I didn't get it last time because I was stuck between either getting this or the little silver bells right here. Now, I wasn't sure about getting this one because I wasn't, feeling confident that this was gonna stay clean, but it was on sale. Now, originally, this is $49.99, as you can see right there, but it was on sale for 40% off, and then I had a coupon, guys. So you know what? You already know, once there's a coupon involved, I'm gonna do damage. So I had a coupon for 20% off my entire purchase. So got this for $19.99. Basically, I stole it, right? That is a insane deal, and I've been wanting this. Like I said, what has been holding me back is just the fact of keeping this clean, and this is made out of 100% cotton, all of it. I thought this was something fancy, like maybe wool or 𝗀𝗃, whatever you say, how do you say that fabric? I don't know, but it's nothing special. This is just cotton. I loved it. The back is like a jean material, and it's unique, it's beautiful, it's gonna be cool for winter, and it's cozy. So I loved it. And one thing that I wish I could change about this crossbody here is the strap. The strap is so basic. Everything else on this is like cool, and I feel like what would really make this stand out is if they made the strap like this, like how this strap is. It would just make it like tie it in so much better, right? I feel like it would. 𝗏𝗏, if you need an executive designer, somebody to help you out in that department, hire me. Information's below. But honestly, I still love it. I'm obsessed with it. $20, $19.99. Honestly, you cannot go wrong. So had to get that. Now, my birthday's coming up, guys, so I needed something to wear. I'm not doing anything formal or anything like that, just dinner and some fun with friends. And I figured this shirt would be perfect. And right now, I'm obsessed with this green color, this Kelly green, this like rich looking green color. I love it. So I got this sweater right here. Of course, it says 𝗏𝗏 right on the front, and around the neck, it's just a navy blue to match the 𝗏𝗏. Same on the bottom, but the sleeves, guys, the details, little details like this, and of course the 𝗏𝗏 logo right there. It's all about the details. I fell in love with it. I don't know what it is about this green color, but I'm living for it at the moment. It's like my favorite color. Well, black, nude, and white and gray, earth tones. But this is a really good color. I love this. It's kind of earthy. I don't know. So this was listed for $79.99, and it was actually on sale for $29.99. And that's 20% off as well. So I got this for $23.99. That's a steal, guys. Total I spent at 𝗏𝗏 $45.18 for these two products. To me, that's not too bad at all. Especially for the quality of the stuff that I got and the uniqueness, I was living. So Absolutely obsessed with these two purchases. And you're probably wondering, well, what was that little tummy bag? What is in that? All right, guys, it's Christmas time. It's not all about buying things for yourself and making yourself happy. You got to give. You know, tis the season. You got to give. So my nephew, my godson, I got in this little sweater right here. And this is adorable, guys. This is too freaking cute. That was like a throwback, like 90s looking type sweater. Very, very soft. And I got this with 10% off because at the outlets I went to in the Poconos, once you shop at Tommy, they give you like a coupon for 10% off at Calvin Klein and Tommy Kids. So this is $46.99 on sale. How much did I get this for? Kids clothes is expensive. It's crazy, guys. I don't have any kids. And when I do, I don't know how I'm gonna be shopping because their stuff is quite expensive. This was on sale for, came down to $12.68. That's with the 10% off included. So that was a steal. And my nephew's gonna be a mini Tommy lover like me. So had to get that. That was really cute. And I'm excited to gift that to him and see him rock the Tommy just like his uncle, his amazing uncle, right? So yeah, my nephew Jake is gonna be rocking some Tommy, living for that. Also, while I was in the Poconos, I stopped at this place called the Antique Mall and I picked up this. Wait till you see it, guys. Don't judge me. If you do, judge me kindly. This bracelet, this beautiful gold with diamonds down it bracelet. Some of you might be thinking like, George, why? That looks like a woman's. Probably was, but these days, like, men are being very, experimental and fun and bold with their fashion. And I'm gonna join that trend because I like to step outside the box. As you've seen in my last video trying 𝗬𝗲 Star Cosmetics, I don't really care what people think. So I seen this and I thought it was beautiful and it would just be a fun piece to add to, my collection of jewelry. I also make bracelets, so this is gonna be something cool to just make it stand out a little bit more with my authentic pieces. So guys, check this out. Look how beautiful that is. It's shiny, it is bold, it is beautiful, it is, I love it. So I have to call this mine. I actually nabbed this for, I believe it was $10. I don't know how authentic this is, but regardless, if that doesn't look luxe or opulent, I don't know what does. The opulence of this all is just opulence. Insane. I love it. So I actually am rocking this right now and my gold necklace. So opulent the house, right? Okay, I'm gonna stop right there, but thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I know my following really appreciates and loves my Tommy reviews and Tommy hauls. So with these pieces I picked up today, I know it was like a miniature, very tiny haul, but I figured I'd share with you guys. And I'm gonna keep doing this, even if it's not like a major haul and, small like this. I just love coming on here and sharing my experience buying Tommy products and how things work for me, like how this crossbody is turned into a fanny pack. And I'm living for it. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, because if you like Tommy, you're gonna love my channel. I do a lot of videos like this. And until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.